Hi guys and welcome to the Nerdy Gangsters. Today let's go out and ask the girls what is the sexiest outfit a guy should wear which will turn them on. Talking about me, I think I like when boys are well dressed up with short hair, clean shaved and yes, white shirt and a black shirt really turns me on and it looks sexy and on anyone and everyone. So boys out there, I'm getting you some tips. Let's see what these girls have to say and meanwhile chalo, let's go. So my question to you is what is the sexiest outfit a guy should wear to turn you on?
If it's like black 3/4 with a white shirt probably.
I really like guys on shirts. They look really hot, and especially white turns me really on.
Normal casuals. A white shirt or a baby pink shirt with ripped jeans, maybe. V-necks, jackets, shoes. No slippers.
I think when they wear accessories, maybe good shoes and watch and wearing a scarf teamed up with a leather jacket or something, maybe that.
I like guys in formals when they wear the formals well. So the tie needs to be proper, the button needs to be proper.
I think white shirt and formals western formals, the proper tie and the vest and the trousers, well-fitting trousers.
So my question to you is what is that sexiest thing that a guy should wear which will turn you on?
If they have legs, like hair on their legs, then I don't think shorts. And toned pants, yeah, sometimes.
I think there are a couple of things suppose I don't know, have a thing for guys when they wear track pants. I don't know, something about them being comfortable, or it can be suppose if they're wearing a hoodie over a V-neck t-shirt.
I don't mind him wearing anything.
Any outfit or nothing?
No, not about nothing. That would be too.
Do you really like when that person wears a scarf?
Not exactly scarf when they're teamed up with I'm seeing accessories like wearing a good watch and their shoes are up to date and well and teamed up with scarf or something, yeah.
If a guy dresses well and he's put a jacket, blazer and also that is also
That looks really,
turn on quotient.
yeah, that looks really smart, yeah.
So it will turn you on, you mean?
Yeah.
So you mean like the cool looking guy?
Yeah. Like a perfect beach outfit type of.
What about the track pants?
I don't know, I think
Very different answer that I've heard.
I think it's probably because they look comfortable.
Tone pants are what turns you on.
But if he doesn't have hair on his legs, it's awful.
But I guess hair are also like a turn on.
Not for me.
No.
If a guy is wearing formals and it fits him really,
Yeah.
he wears it perfectly,
Yeah.
so I think that's like a turn on.
Yeah. For me. Yeah.
All the girls said white shirt, white shirt. So you think white shirt just suits anyone?
Not really. I like basic colors, so I like black and white. And guys wearing black and white shirt, it really turns me on.
So to all the guys out there, you saw how these girls answer different questions. They like V-neck, they like white shirts, some girls even like boxers. So just take all these tips together and my suggestion to you is that look good, be good, dress well and you will make wonders. So signing off for the day, please do not forget to share, subscribe, like and comment to our channel, The Nerdy Gangsters. Until then, see you. Bye bye.